Lenovo manufactures some of the best gaming laptops under its Legion lineup. Now they're going to use the same moniker for gaming smartphones. Yes, that's right, we have received multiple leaks from past month and a half about this Lenovo's upcoming Legion gaming smartphone. In late December of 2019, Lenovo created a new account called Legion Gaming Phone on Chinese social media platform Weibo, where they officially teased the Legion gaming brand and the fact that it will be powered by Qualcomm's highest-end Snapdragon 865 SoC. And later on it was also confirmed to come with 90-watt fast charging. It's said to fully charge the battery in 30 minutes and the battery capacity will be 5000 mAh. To be honest, when we first heard about this 90-watt charging speed, we were skeptical because previously Lenovo tricked everyone with a marketing term into believing something which was entirely different. But not this time. Lenovo has since clarified that they aren't playing a numbers game here. Furthermore, Lenovo's 90-watt fast charging will be standard for all systems according to the company on Weibo, hinting that there will be more than one first-generation Legion smartphone model. Now, 90 watt is amazing, but what's more amazing than that is the design. The team at XDA Developers has got hold of some marketing videos from Lenovo that reveals a few more details of the smartphone itself. It will be world's first phone to come with a side-mounted pop-up camera. Yes, it makes sense because while playing games, the front camera usually gets blocked, but with this setup, gamers who like to stream will no longer face this issue. Then again, while using it as a normal phone, side-mounted selfie camera might be more awkward than a top-mounted sensor. Well, things don't end here. The back of the Legion is also as interesting as the front. The dual rear cameras are located near the center of the device, and we understand the logic behind going with this design. Most of the popular games are played in landscape orientation, so with this design choice, it will be easier to hold the phone with no interference from cameras. But again, while normal usage with single hand, there could be a problem. This design will also bring some changes in the internal design of the phone because now the camera have been moved to the center. That means something has to be moved up there. But that is something we will know later when more things are leaked. As for the appearance, the back cover looks like a smooth metal with a 3D texture and the Legion logo that lights up for the gaming smartphone vibe. The teaser video also shared some key features of the gaming phone. It will come with a symmetrical dual X-axis linear vibration motor called as U-Engine. Also, the video seems to say that the phone has a 3D cooling tower structure with dual heat pipe partitions for long-lasting cooling. It will also have stereo speakers located on top and on the bottom bezels. Now for some other specs, it's believed to come with a 144Hz refresh rate display, but there is no word on whether it's an OLED or LCD. It will be Full HD Plus resolution of 2340x1080p with a 270Hz touch sampling rate. There's a 64MP plus 16MP ultra-wide rear camera and a 20MP selfie shooter. It is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 and will have UFS 3.0 internal storage and LPDDR5 RAM. And lastly, the phone runs Android 10 with Lenovo's ZUI 12 customizations on top, which Lenovo will likely market as Legion OS for this device. So that's everything about Lenovo's first Legion gaming smartphone. More such videos will be coming soon, so you better subscribe right now. See you in the next one. Peace out.